The Ukrainian defense company Inguar has unveiled its latest armored combat vehicle Inguar3. The armored truck is equipped with a 356 horsepower Deutz engine, multiple cameras and night vision capabilities, while its steel and aluminum armor helps protect the crew while ensuring it doesn't add too much weight. Two French Mirage 2000 fighter jets intercepted two Russian Su-30 aircraft over the Baltic Sea on February 29. The French fighters, part of NATO's Baltic air policing mission, scrambled to intercept the Russian jets as they approached international airspace. The U.S. has carried out its first airdrop of humanitarian aid for Gaza with more than 30,000 meals parachuted in by 3 military planes. The operation was carried out jointly with Jordan's Air Force. The sale of 31 MQ9 B Sky Guardian drones to India is expected to be fast-tracked now, as the major hurdle of mandatory 30 days of congressional notification is likely to pass without any objection. In next step, United States will send letter of offer and acceptance to India, clearing way to acquire drone.